this video, we're gonna be going over 1-up, 2-up, which is the pattern that I'm doing right now. Ha-ha. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Peter. I'm the emotional support clown here on YouTube. And today we are continuing our scarf juggling journey by learning 1-up, 2-up. The prerequisite for this tutorial is learning 2 in 1 hand in columns or pillars, which is what I'm doing right now. If you don't know how to do that yet, don't panic. There's a video on my channel that will teach you, and there'll be a little info card on the top of the screen right about now. So go learn it, and I'll be here. I'll be right here, so take your time. So now that we have 2 scarves in 1 hand, get them going in a pillar pattern and focus on the outer scarf. In this case, the pink scarf that's to the right of my body. When that scarf goes up, I'm gonna throw the red scarf up at the same time. So all I'm doing with my left hand is throwing this scarf up and catching. My right hand's doing all the work. And if I want, I can also share the load by switching hands or just doing it with my left hand too. Another great variation we can do is we can just lift our arm up instead of throwing it. So if I'm throwing it, it looks like this. If I'm lifting my arm up, I'm just matching the height of the yellow scarf, the outer scarf in this case, of my 2 scarf pattern in 1 hand. I can also do this on my other side to train both sides. And yeah, it's a fun pattern. One last bonus trick for everyone. If you want to really impress your friends, get it going in 1-up, 2-up. You know, do whatever variations you want. And then with the middle scarf, blow it up into the air. It's very cool. You can also let it land on your face. Obviously, if kids are doing these with your scarves, be sure to sanitize them afterwards. But yeah, those are a couple crazy tricks that you can do in the 1-up, 2-up pattern. So that's it for this scarf juggling tutorial. If you've learned something, if you liked this video, give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next scarf juggling tutorial. Let's go!